Right, hi guys, so CES 2026, we're here with John, and we're here over at the Oshkosh stand. I'm having a look at all types of different technologies, and we're just going to go through them just to tell you like a little bit more.
Thank you, Philip. So I'm John Honig. I'm the Vice President of Mobility from our Pratt division. So Oshkosh is made up of a number of brands, over a dozen different brands focused on different industries and purpose-built vehicles. Pratt focuses heavily in innovation and supporting all those segments, as we move forward into future and advanced technologies, with a heavy focus on autonomy as robotics, as we see here.
So I think, so you were saying about Oshkosh as a company. If you give us an overview of that'd be great.
Sure. So Oshkosh is a company focused on purpose-built vehicles. So it's an umbrella of over a dozen different brands, that work across different vocational industries. I'm with Pratt, which is an engineering group that focuses on innovation that supports all of these different industries.
Right, fantastic. So on the stand, they got lots of different types of products. Obviously, I've specifically picked this one because it fits within the robot range. So it'd be interesting to learn a little bit more about where this comes from and what's the future of this type of robot.
Sure. So one of the areas that both Pratt and Oshkosh have been focusing is in robotics. So we have a long history of autonomy and automation. So what we've been working on is, robotic, so completely unmanned robots and versions. So we're doing the mechanical, electrical, and then the autonomy kit. So we have an internal autonomy kit and autonomy stack that we're using across all of our vehicle platforms, including our family of robots.
Okay. Yeah, which is it. I mean, from this one we got behind this, obviously, this is like a security version. But I've also seen one that gets in like an airport-like scenario.
Yeah.
Tell us.
So we have a couple different platforms. So we have a defense robot that's used for live fire training. So that just went into production this year. This is an adaptation where we've used it for perimeter security. This is for airports, so this can do for an object detection. It can do a number of other use cases at the airport, on the ramp, and on the grounds. And then we have another robot around the corner here, that's used for refuse collection as well as potential delivery. So what we really focus on is agnostic robotic development, meaning core capability for both on-road and off-road performance that we can put different kits and applications and payloads on for the different use cases.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, there's a robot over there, Harry, around the corner there. That's same autonomy kit, same different platform, but same kit and common building blocks.
Right.
And then in the video there on the wall there for the delivery and transport team, they show the robots in the video as well.
Right.
And as well as in the theater here for the airport, also show some of the robotics. So what we're really trying to do is leverage the technology across all the different products, with a common core set, which helps increase the reliability and maturity over time.
And this is an American company?
Yeah. So Oshkosh is headquartered in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Pratt is out of Michigan with a long history and heritage in automotive and motorsports. And then we have a number of different groups across the country.
Right, perfect. Okay, no, that's great, John. I mean, that's a great overview. So if anyone has any questions, then just ping them over and we can find out, get some answers from John. So thank you, John.
Yeah,
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Cool.
Appreciate it.